What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to be working on a Supra. I know you guys have seen the other video of when we first got it at the house. So today we're going to be getting this baby in here, do a quick little walk around for you. There's lots of stuff that's kind of like needs to be addressed, some like little rusty stuff. I know there's a few cracks and stuff like that, but first thing we're going to do is clean the car completely out from the inside, all this garbage stuff, and kind of assess what's broken, what's not. Like this awesome speaker out here, little subwoofer, 10s. Then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do on the outside, because we're gonna clean the interior completely. Then we're gonna take the car back out here. We're gonna wash it, scrub it, get some stuff cleaned, and see if we can't get at least some of this paint here to look a little bit better. Damn, it is a super nice day out today, so I don't want to be out in the heat trying to wash the car, even though water spots on the white you're not going to see that much. But we got a lot of work to do to try to get this thing even remotely clean. So we're just going to get her in the garage for now, and we're going to start cleaning it. Hopefully we'll be done by the end of the day. Holy shit. Alright guys, so we got the car in the garage. We got the baby out here. Whee, babies! Yeah! And she's got her little personal fan there to keep cool out here in the sun, or in the heat, because it's probably about 85 in the shade. It seems like that anyways. So right now, we're going to be taking everything out of the car. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here. We're going to get right into that. And whatever we're keeping is going in that box over there. So here y'all go. All right, so we got all the parts over here that we took out of the car that were laying in there. So there's parts there. We got this junk subwoofer box out of here. So maybe we can get some new 10s for it. I don't know. We got everything out of the back here. The struts are junk, so she's gonna have to source some of those for sure. But there's lots of glass and stuff everywhere. And more stuff underneath there. So for now, we're gonna come vacuum this out. We are gonna be taking the seats out of here, so I gotta reconnect the battery. I did unhook it because of the subwoofers and stuff. We did find a couple of more parts, like her hood latch thing that doesn't work. Spring's good, so I found a CB radio underneath the seat. There's a bunch of more stuff. Yeah, it's a bunch of stuff underneath here. I just need to take it all out and get this dash mat too. Cool, we'll clean that as well. But yeah, we're taking the seats out, so we're gonna have to reconnect the battery real quick so I can do that one because that one's power. But we're gonna take this one out, do the battery, get the other one out. Woo-hoo! Alright, so we got the seats out. We were going to take this mat out of here, but we're going to wait a minute because it's clamped down back there by the seat. And I was going to just take the whole thing out and dump it in the trash because of all the glass, but it'll be more fun if you hear the vacuum suck it up. So we're literally just going to vacuum this entire thing out. We're going to reroute that cable too. So we got all the stuff back there. The amp does work and everything comes on. Those speakers just blow. And I don't have any 8s for that. I think that box would be a little bit better. But, so if we can source 3 8s, that would be awesome. And I'll hook that thing up to the little amp. It doesn't have to be super crazy bass, but that'll save a little bit of room in here, I think, because that box is pretty big for what it is, for a couple of little 10s. Because that box is smaller and has 3 8s, so we'll see what happens. Oh, the carpet in this thing's actually pretty decent. It's worse than the shit box was when I got it. So, and the leather on the seat's actually really good. It's only right there in the back where the sun was hitting it on the top of the seats right here. That's the only spots that are really bad. Now, I think we can find a set of like seat covers or something that will work for these seats, because these seats are not actually that bad. This one's got a couple little rips and stuff, and maybe a little rip right here, but and this one just right there. So I mean, I bet we could find a set of seat covers that'll work. Cover the back with something, you know. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're about to start vacuuming. I think that the vacuuming and the cleaning out is going to be all we're going to do for today. the other GoPro died. And it's not looking good for it. Because I feel like it's actually not working anymore. Don't want to get, well, copyrighted. Can't get demonetized when you're not monetized. Alright, anyway. So right now, we've finished all the vacuuming. It came out really, really good. And I think we're just going to have to do some stains and stuff. It would be nice to get an extractor to do the entire thing. But compared to before, this is so clean. Leaf here. We're going to do a final vacuum and stuff anyways. We still got a few things to grab. Obviously, we still got to clean the inside. So, as you can see, this back piece is going to need a little bit of stain management. Obviously, we got to move all this stuff out of the way. Reroute these wires a little bit. Try to figure out what actually works in here and what doesn't for speakers. Overall, I think it's a pretty successful day. It's hot as shit out. I've probably drank about probably somewhere around a gallon of water. But I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys, because there's a lot of work left to do on this thing. We're gonna try to have it ready by like Saturday. Make sure you guys come back for the next Supra video, because this thing's gonna undergo a pretty good transformation. Obviously, we can't, paint it or any of that stuff here, but I think overall it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a lot better. We're gonna try to get these taillight lenses a little bit cleaned up. Obviously, we can't do much about that, but we're gonna try to get some color back in these. Maybe just small stuff that's gonna make the car look 1,000 times better. And we're hanging this fucking exhaust for sure. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like, hit the subscribe buttons, hit the notification bell so you can catch every video. We'll see you guys later.